kiss her lover. That girl is
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the notifications for you get. So this video is sponsored, and this video is sponsored by a company called Cassi Care. And I don't know if you guys remember a long time ago, like a while ago, I'll have to find the day. I worked with Cassi Care before, and they have rebranded and they're back. So I'm back. So Cassi Care has decided to sponsor your girl. They are sponsoring your girl, and they gave me a bunch of products that I wanted to show y'all. I just love. So they gave me a bag of products. A bag. This is heavy. It's full. It's full in there. It's a bag of products that I'm going to show y'all. And this is from their new launch. Their new, and these are all new products that I'm about to show y'all that they didn't carry these the first time, but they got them now. So this is the little bag they gave me. Oh, I'm so excited. Stuff I'm like one of those girls that I just like stuff, you know, like I'm the type of person that when I go in the checkout line, and then you know how they have like the lip chap and then just random things in the checkout line. I like that little like stuff, like perfumes, things like that. Okay, so the first thing that's in here, and I already opened it because I was using it. But this is a really cute, it's so soft. It is like a little headband that you can put on your head if you're like washing your face, doing anything where you want your hair out of the way. And it's really snug, and it just like right now, like this, I could wash my face, I could do whatever. And it's so cute. It's so cute and girly. I just wanted it to all go together. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. How cute. It's like I got a little, look at how cute, y'all. It's really fluffy, it's really soft. There's a little bow. You can see it's kind of like stretchy. The next thing is this raw and natural kaolin clay. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it's sealed. I thought it was gonna poof in my face. So everything comes sealed. Mix this clay using our DIY face mask kit. You can add your choice of liquid. Mix 2 parts clay with 2 parts liquid. So this is the face mask kit. They gave me this too, so I'm gonna open it. I haven't opened none of this other stuff yet. So it comes with a little mixing bowl. What does it come with? It comes with this. It comes with spoons so you can get the clay. And it comes with a bowl, and so you can mix it all up. It also comes with a little spray bottle that is so cute. And it comes with a little mixing thing, so you can get it all in there. Oh, and it comes with like, this is a mask applicator. I don't know if you've ever used this before. I actually have one of these. But it's not this shape though, but I think this shape might be better to get like really like in between on my nose though. The one I have is not shaped like this. Kaolin clay is really good for like cleansing the skin and reducing like large pores. It's a gentle exfoliant, and it aids in the removal of bacteria, so this is really good. So the way it works is like you can literally mix this with anything. You can mix it with green tea, water. Apple cider vinegar is a good one. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits. You can use it as a toner. I think apple cider vinegar would be a good one. You can mix it with plain Greek yogurt and honey to make like a thicker, more moisturizing mask. This is really good for acne prone skin. So but the thing about it is like you can't mix it with anything metal. Metal causes a chemical reaction that makes it lose its benefits, so that's why they do offer, you know, the mixing kits, the mask mixing kits. But this is a lot. So it's the mask kit and the mask, and this is the Kaolin clay. I have the Cassi Care Holy Grail Natural Body Oil in scent Sassy Seduction. So this is the body oil. I love their body oil the first time because it like, especially if you get ashy like me, and it lasts all day. Like the scent it's like a light, like nice scent that stays on you all day, and it keeps it really does keep your skin moisturized. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I can tell she changed the formula because before, like they added like tea tree oil, so it just has a little light. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, you guys. The fresh scent, it just smells fresh. Cassi Care now has body fragrances, so this one is in fragrance. The this one is in Girl Boss and this one is in Just Lovely. So this is what it looks like. Let me see. Oh my god. Ooh. Like, and you know what, I like these body fragrances like with the rollies, because what I like to do is I rub it behind my ear so it smells good when I hug people. I like to put it a little behind my ear, so then when I hug people it smells really good. I put on my wrist. And this one's Just Lovely. Oh my god. I don't know which one I like better. I don't know which one I like more. I don't know. I'm trying to keep smelling them to describe to y'all what it smells like, but there's nothing I could compare it to. It doesn't smell like, it smells good. Like, I don't know, like, I can't compare it to nothing. I'm sorry, but it's just a smell. Like, it just smells good. I also have these for men too, and I'm pretty sure they smell just as good, but Cassi Care body fragrances. Cassi Care body soak in scent Sassy Seduction, and that was my favorite scent from before. And it says, our bath soak is the best way to unwind after a long day, or if you just want to have some self-care time. Add a little Lorelai to your next bath to be relaxed. Our soak is perfect way to reduce sore muscles, loosen stiff joints, and reduce stress. You can even add it to your next foot soak. For best results, apply Cassi Care body oil or body butter right after your bath. And it says the ingredients are Epsom salt, rose petals, and fragrance oil. So, oh my gosh. Ooh, I'm gonna save this. Oh, this is so cute. And the packaging is really cute, and it's actually really, really sealed. You can see the rose petals are in there. So next for the bath, she sent me some of their bath teas. So this is what it looks like. This one is green tea and peppermint oil. And what it is you fill your bathtub up with hot water. You put the tea bag in there. You let it soak in there. This one has green tea, Epsom salt, oats, and peppermint. So it's supposed to smell really good. It's supposed to relax you after a long day. You can light some candles, you know, play some music, you know. In this little tea bag, you just take the tea bag out and throw it away, so you don't have to worry about any of the oats or anything clogging your drain. It's just like a really nice, easy cleanup to relax after a really long day. I'll probably use this first before I use the Epsom salt one, but I just like peppermint. Peppermint's like, oh, I want to try that. So it's supposed to relax your muscles if you're tense and everything like that. So this is what they sent me as well. Same packaging. But I'm excited to try this one. I'm actually gonna open this because I want to see what it smells like. Oh yeah. I just love stuff like this. I just love like these smells and like stuff like natural stuff. Oh my gosh, I forgot about these. Look at this, y'all. These are shower bombs. So what you do is when you take a shower, you put this in the back of your shower and you just let the water lightly hit it, and then it releases the aromatherapy. So you can just relax. Like this one I'll probably use first. I'll probably use this first, and then I'll do the bath tea, and then I'll do the salt one. But this is so cool. I had never even heard of nothing like this. Like, this is so cool. You just set it in the back of your shower and it releases aromatherapy. I've never even seen, like, does Bath & Body Works have stuff like this? Because I don't even think they have stuff like this. I've never heard of this before. I've never heard of a shower bomb before. So this is cool. Let me smell this and see what this, let me smell this. Oh my God, that's about to smell so fire. Like, this is lavender. And this smells like straight lavender, like wow. Oh my gosh, smell this, y'all. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. All right, you guys, so I had a little wardrobe change. My camera died, so you know I had to start this over. But the very last item that I wanted to show you guys is this Jade facial roller. This is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna take it out of the package right now. This is made out of real jade stone. It's a good way to reduce puffiness under your eyes, so you can put it in the refrigerator and then you just kind of roll it and let the coolness kind of reduce the puffiness. And then also this is a good way to kind of help your product penetrate a little bit deeper. So you put your product under your lotion and then you rub it to penetrate and get deeper into the skin. So this I've seen these out, like I've seen them out, but I've never used one. I've never had one, and it's actually really good quality. You can tell the quality of it. It's like it's got some weight to it. Like it's real jade stone. Like let me get a little closer so you can see it. It's real jade stone, so it's got some weight to it. It's very good quality. I never knew what these were used for until now, but I can't wait to try it because I do get really, really puffy under my eyes, and I know you guys have seen me in the morning, like where I'm so puffy and just. So I'm really excited to try this, and I'm very thankful that Cassi Care decided to collab with me. I'm so grateful and thankful, and I'm very appreciative. I'm so excited about this new rebrand that they're doing. Their packaging is different. They have new products. Like I'm just so excited for them. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Cassi Care is also having a Black Friday sale. Follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be making posts on Instagram. Don't miss this Black Friday sale. You can also use my discount code as well. Cassi Care also has men's products too. They have a beard kit. And I know a lot of y'all are men watching me. I got beard kits. They got little rollers for men with the scents. They have men products too. So if you're interested in trying these products, men or women, use my discount code. I'll put the link in the description box below. My discount code is Divoye Inc, you know. So thank you all for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Follow Cassi Care on Instagram. Visit the website. Follow me on Instagram too while you at it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.